Hi, my name is Lorena Cuesta Palacios. I am from Colombia. Life in Colombia is beautiful, it's fantastic. Life in Colombia is a city. Definitely, it's beautiful. Colombia is place amazing. Colombia is country beautiful. It's happy. It is inhabitant are incredible, happy, fantastic. Colombia is a country, or share a beautiful country, but not perfect. Not perfect. Life in Colombia is not so easy, but it is life. It's love life in Colombia, and it is people, the green diversity. There is the diversity of ethnic groups and races. Colombia has a lot of natural, of culture. We we love our culture, our road. Life in Colombia is not perfect species. It's a while there is a lot of inequality, disequality. There is a lot difficult, but in the country always and out benefits the rich and the poor are still poor. There is a benefit and also this is advantage. Living in Colombia is a word. It is hard is had a magic that only Colombia has. Colombia is beautiful. Colombia is amazing. Colombia is beautiful. I am Colombia. I will choose to be Colombian again. Even if Colombia is not perfect because it is people is flower, it is long skirt, it was may full in love. I love you, Colombia. Thank you. Bye bye.